Hello everyone, we'll make a presentation about 14 principles of Toyota Way in agile management. Let me start by introducing what is this Toyota Way. Toyota Way is a management system designed to improve quality and efficiency. It aligns with agile management principles which prioritize customer satisfaction, employee empowerment, and flexible planning. By adopting the Toyota Way, organizations can enhance their agile practices, adaptability, and overall satisfaction in work environments while maintaining a strong focus on quality and continuous improvement. Let's talk about the importance of Toyota Way in agile management. Agile management and the Toyota Way's 14 principles can enhance efficiency, quality, and adaptability in organizations. Both approaches emphasize customer satisfaction, employee empowerment, and flexible planning, making them complementary for business seeking continuous improvement and success. Our first principle is applying a long-term philosophy. This means focusing on the company's mission and vision rather than short-term gains. Always go for the long term instead of the short term. Even if your immediate future might suffer, you'll have better chances of surviving and growing as a company if you look decades into the future. Making money is actually a short-term goal. Look to generate value for years down the road. Second principle is creating continuous flow. In the Toyota Way, this refers to streamlining the production process to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. This involves eliminating bottlenecks, reducing downtime, and ensuring smooth transitions between different stages of production. Toyota achieves this by implementing lean manufacturing techniques such as just-in-time production, where materials and resources are provided exactly when they are needed. This approach enables Toyota to maintain a steady production flow, reduce inventory costs, and quickly respond to changes in customer demand. Our third principle in the Toyota Way is using pull and avoiding overproduction. This means producing goods based on actual customer demand rather than anticipated demand. This approach helps minimize waste, reduce inventory costs, and improve efficiency. Toyota implements this principle through the just-in-time, as known as JIT production system, where parts and materials are ordered and delivered only when needed for manufacturing. This pull system contrasts with traditional push systems, where goods are produced in anticipation of demand, often leading to excess inventory and waste. By focusing on actual demand, Toyota can better align production with customer needs and adapt to market changes more effectively, ensuring optimal use of resources and minimizing waste. Heijunka refers to the principle of production leveling and smoothing, which aims to balance production workload and eliminate fluctuations in customer demand, inventory, and resource utilization. This approach helps to optimize resources allocation, reduce waste, and maintain a steady, efficient production flow. Toyota achieves Heijunka by evenly distributing production workload across different products and production lines. This is done by employing a mixed model assembly approach, where multiple product models are assembled on the same line. By implementing Heijunka, Toyota can better respond to changes in customer demand, minimize inventory buildup, and reduce the strain on equipment and employees. Now, my friend Hussein will continue with the fifth principle of the Toyota Way.
Thank you, Eren, for your information. Let's look at the build the right culture. Building the right culture can be seen in how Toyota fosters a culture of continuous improvement, also known as Kaizen. At Toyota, employees at all levels are encouraged to identify and solve problems in their daily work. For instance, Toyota's assembly line workers are empowered to halt the production line if they notice a defect or an issue that needs immediate attention. This culture of problem solving and continuous improvement helps Toyota to maintain high standards in quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Let's look at the sixth principle. In this principle, Toyota's production system is well known for its standards. Çıkmıyor ama standart çok zor bir kelime bu.
Bana laf ediyordun daha demin, gördüm.
Neyi
Hayır.
söyleyeyim ya?
Standardized.
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 O
Standardized.
standardize diyorsun sen.
Ha bunu standard o ne amına?
Çok
Standard.
zor oğlum.
Nasıl okunduğuna bak şeyden internetten.
Bunları kes.
Standardized. Tamam ben evet keseceğim halledeceğim tamam. Let's look at the sixth principle, standardized test. Toyota's production system is well known for this principle. An example of this can be seen in how workers follow specific predefined steps for each task on the assembly line. By standardizing tasks, Toyota ensures that work is performed consistently and efficiently, regardless of which employee is performing the task. This helps to reduce errors, improve productivity, and make it easier to identify areas for improvement. For instance, if a specific task takes longer than expected, the standardized makes it easier to identify the bottleneck and find ways to improve the workflow. Let's look at the seventh principle. Use visual control. Visual control, also known as ANDOM in Toyota's production system, is a method of providing real-time feedback on the status of process. An example of visual control at Toyota can be seen in the use of lights and displays on the assembly line, as shown in the figure. If a worker encounters a problem or spots a defect, they can press a button to stop the production line and trigger a visual signal such as a flashing light. This alerts their supervisors and team members to the issue, allowing for quick resolution and minimizing the impact on overall production. By using visual controls, Toyota can quickly identify and address issues, leading to a more efficient and effective production process. Here is the Tuberk for the further principles.
Thank you, Hüseyin. Eighth principle of the Toyota production system is to use only tested technology. This means that the company should only use technology that has been tested and proven to work efficiently. This principle is critical to the TPS as it ensures that the organizations invest in technology that is reliable, safe, and efficient. By using tested technology, the company can reduce the risk of equipment breakdowns, improve production quality, and increase productivity. Additionally, the company can reduce costs associated with repairs and maintenance of equipment, which can have a significant impact on the bottom line. Ninth principle of the Toyota Way is the grow leaders who live the physiology. This principle is all about developing leadership skills in individual who can lead the organizations towards operational excellence. The TPS recognize that leadership is critical to the success of any organizations, and therefore it invests in developing leaders who can drive the culture of continuous improvement. The TPS encourage leaders to lead by example, demonstrate a deep understanding of the system's physiology, and encourage collaboration and teamwork among team members. By growing leaders who live the physiology, the TPS can create a culture of continuous improvement and achieve long-term success. The 10th principle of the Toyota Way is develop people and teams. The TPS recognize that people are the most important asset in any organizations and therefore invest in developing individual and teams. The TPS encourage the development of a learning culture where employees are encouraged to learn new skills, share knowledge, and participate in continuous improvement initiatives. The TPS also encourage teamwork, where employees are encouraged to work together to solve problems, share ideas, and collaborate towards a common goal. By developing people and teams, the TPS can create a workforce that is engaged, motivated, and committed to achieving operational excellence. Now my friend Kıvanç is continue.
Thank you, Tuğberk. I will starting with principle 11, respect your outside force. Toyota has long been known to place immense regard and value on its suppliers. The company acknowledges their role in the overall success of their business operations, demanding strict adherence to their standards and pushing the boundaries. Toyota aims to help their suppliers achieve excellence. They believe that nurturing a strong alliance built on respect and the desire for continuous improvement will ultimately benefit all stakeholders in the long term. Moving on to principle 12, observe and reflect. Toyota's managerial staff never cases observing the entire process. There is an inherent culture of constant introspection and revision of the design and implementation of their system. Their persistence in finding innovation ways to fuel improvement is nothing else than inspirational by extensively understanding and analyzing each aspect of their corporation. Toyota fosters an environment conducive to change, growth, and innovation. Principle 13, decide slowly, implement fast. Decisions at Toyota are not made in haste. They are well thought out, backed by a solid understanding and analysis of data. Although once the decision is made, they are prompt and decisive in its execution. The time for debate and uncertainty has already passed during the decision-making process. Time, energy, and focus are redirected to ensuring swift and efficient implementation of their decisions. This approach encourages confidence in their choice and paves the way for decision actions. Lastly, principle 14, practice reflection all the time. Fundamental to Toyota production system is unwavering belief that they are learning of organization. As a culture, they emphasizes the importance of continuous self-improvement and refinement. They consistently seek opportunities to grow and develop, always adapting to the idea that there is a room for enhancement. Of course, these principles have been very beneficial to the industry. These remarkable principles designed to bring efficiency and quality to the workplace can be applied across a spectrum of diverse sectors, such as automotive, manufacturing, technology, and software development. Regardless of the scale of the operation, the flexibility of this principle allows companies operating in these sectors to benefit greatly from the implementation. By embracing the Toyota Way principles, this industry will experience significant advancements in productivity and cost efficiency, ultimately elevating their service and products to the next level. Now, Tuğberk will continue benefits of adapting to Toyota.
Thank you, Kıvanç. Benefits of adapting to Toyota Way principle in remote or physical work environments. The principle can be adapted in remote or physical work environments. Adapting to Toyota Way can lead to stronger alignment with customer needs, improvement process, increasing productivity and product quality in the physical workspace. For remote teams, agile techniques can improve collaboration and continuous improvement. Now, my friend Hüseyin, continue.
Thank you, Tuğberk. These are the companies, they all use these principles to gain all the benefits we discussed. For example, Tesla Motors, Amazon, Spotify. If we get your attention to the principles, you can discover the transformative power of these 14 principles, dive into resource, and see how implementing them can revolutionize your life. Don't miss the opportunity, embrace the change, and enhance your world. Thank you for your listening. If you have questions, you can comment in videos. Have a good day.